Hello, my baby. Wanna show me the diamond? It's on now.
Hello. Hi. Yeah. Good morning. Good afternoon. Evening. Night. Habari ya asubuhi. Morning. Habari ya mchana. Afternoon. Habari ya jioni. Evening. Habari ya usiku. Good night.
Yeah, they live in areas where you don't really have like big trees. I didn't know monkeys live in those areas. What a pleasant day in the remote Karoo. Wow. Awesome.
Tajin sister.
Ya gani?
Okay.
Ya gani?
Jana mwenye alinunua box.
Oh, ndio amekuja kuunda ni.
Ndio mera.
Yupo hapa.
Si hauna haraka naye.
Sorry? You want to go with me? Oh, you watch my videos? Nice. Huh? Pearson and then towards Craddock. Grant's Farm. Sorry. Oh, Grant's Farm? I don't know. Ah, okay. I wasn't half-headed. I left from half-headed this morning. Okay, I don't know where his Grahamstown, so that's why. I'm going to Lesotho. Okay. Can't find it. Yeah, I don't know, because all the names have changed on the map, so I guess it has a new name. You live in Grahamstown? Ah, that's why you're asking, okay. Makanda, okay, where is this? Oh yeah. Ah, okay. Yeah, no, I'm not going at all on this road. Yeah, I'm going kind of straight to Lesotho, yeah, like Craddock, Tordres, Barkley East. But no Grahamstown. Thank you, baby. Ah, okay. So then, yeah, it's me. Ah, okay. Yeah, I decided to take a remote road, so it's less, more quiet, less busy. Have a good day, then. Thank you. Yeah, in the Eastern Cape, the city name situation is quite funny because everyone, including black people, everyone refers to the cities with their old names, with their probably I would like say colonial names, well, their original names, because I guess those most didn't exist before the Europeans came. But the Xhosa, they renamed all the cities with most of the cities with Xhosa names, and but nobody knows them. Then, and on the maps, you only have the Xhosa names for most of the cities, so it's very hard to figure out where are the cities because the names don't match, basically. Another co-working for me, it seems it's the meetup time for today. Hello. How are you? Very good.
You on your way?
Yes.
Wait.
To Lesotho,
You are?
Mozambique, yeah. And back up to Europe.
Okay. How long are you on the road now?
Almost 4 years.
Yes. So maybe you're gonna sleep over. Where did you sleep on Grahamstown?
I was in Graafrenet. I'm going to Pearson tonight,
Yes,
but then I'm going left. I'm gonna take the
the gravel road.
yes
Okay. Up to where then?
to Craddock.
Craddock.
Yeah, and then towards Lesotho.
I will be in Craddock tomorrow.
Ah, okay.
Tomorrow I'll contact. I'm working all over here.
Okay, nice.
See you.
Awesome. See you. Thank you.
I know.
Have a good day. Bye bye. Let's stop crossroad for my lunch in the Karoo. So what have I got? Some carrots. I love carrots. I need to cook them. Stay here too. You. I've got some corn. Jalapeno cheese flavored. And here's the best part. So in my guest house in Frappenet, Victorian Square House or Square Guest House, Lorraine, the owner, gave me a lot of, oh my god, there's